Today we will discuss about 3 top businesses very profitable to start in Africa. So stay till the end of this video to learn about our last business. Do not forget to subscribe, share, and comment, where we explore the fascinating world of food production and entrepreneurship. Today we're taking a deep dive into the tomato paste and ketchup making process in Africa, uncovering the journey from farm to bottle. Join us as we explore the machinery involved, discuss effective marketing strategies, and showcase the immense potential of this business opportunity. At the heart of the tomato paste and ketchup making process are specialized machines designed to streamline production and ensure quality. Let's explore the step-by-step process and the machinery involved in turning fresh tomatoes into delicious condiments. The journey begins with the harvesting of ripe tomatoes, which are then transported to processing facilities for transformation into tomato paste and ketchup. Washing and sorting. The tomatoes undergo thorough washing and sorting to remove any dirt, debris, or damaged fruits. Grinding and pulping. The cleaned tomatoes are fed into grinding and pulping machines, where they're crushed and reduced to a smooth pulp. Heating and reduction. The tomato pulp is then heated to break down enzymes and reduce moisture content, resulting in a concentrated paste. Seasoning and blending. Seasonings, spices, and other ingredients are added to the tomato paste to create the desired flavor profile for ketchup. Packaging. The finished tomato paste and ketchup are packaged into bottles, jars, or pouches, ready for distribution to consumers. With the help of advanced tomato processing machinery, manufacturers can efficiently transform fresh tomatoes into high-quality paste and ketchup, meeting the demands of consumers across Africa. Now that we've explored the production process, let's discuss effective marketing strategies to promote tomato paste and ketchup businesses in Africa. Building a successful tomato paste and ketchup brand in Africa requires a strategic approach that resonates with consumers' preferences and values. Here are some key strategies to consider. Distribution channels. Establish partnerships with local supermarkets, grocery stores, restaurants, and food service providers to expand distribution channels and reach a wider audience. Consider offering bulk packaging options for commercial clients and convenient single-serve packaging for retail consumers. The tomato paste and ketchup making business presents a lucrative opportunity for entrepreneurs in Africa. By leveraging advanced machinery and implementing effective marketing strategies, you can establish a successful brand and meet the growing demand for quality condiments in the region. Let's dive in our second business. We're diving into the spicy realm of hot sauce production in Africa, uncovering the secrets behind the process and the business opportunities it presents. Join us as we delve into the hot sauce making process, discuss the machinery involved, and explore effective marketing strategies to ignite success in this fiery venture. Behind every bottle of tantalizing hot sauce lies a meticulously crafted process and specialized machinery designed to bring out the flavors and heat. Let's journey through the steps of hot sauce production and the machinery involved in bringing the heat to Africa's tables. The journey begins with the selection and preparation of fresh chili peppers, which are the heart and soul of any hot sauce. Grinding and maceration. The cleaned peppers are then fed into grinding and maceration machines, where they're crushed and mixed with other ingredients such as vinegar, garlic, and spices. Heating and reduction. The pepper mixture is heated to enhance flavors and reduce moisture content, resulting in a concentrated hot sauce base. Straining and bottling. The hot sauce base is strained to remove any solids or impurities before being bottled and sealed for freshness. With the help of advanced hot sauce production machinery, manufacturers can efficiently transform fresh chili peppers into flavorful and fiery hot sauces that cater to the diverse tastes of consumers across Africa. Now that we've explored the production process, let's discuss effective marketing strategies to promote hot sauce businesses in Africa. Building a successful hot sauce brand in Africa requires a strategic approach that captivates consumers' palates and captures their attention. Here are some key strategies to consider. Experiment with unique flavor combinations and heat levels to differentiate your hot sauce from competitors. Highlight the use of locally sourced ingredients and traditional African spices to appeal to regional tastes. Brand storytelling: share the story behind your hot sauce brand, including its origins, inspiration, and commitment to quality and authenticity. Connect with consumers on a personal level by showcasing the passion and craftsmanship that goes into every bottle. Targeted outreach: identify key demographics and target markets for your hot sauce products, such as food enthusiasts, spice lovers, and health-conscious consumers. Tailor your marketing efforts to resonate with these audiences through social media, food festivals, and culinary events. The hot sauce-making business presents a spicy opportunity for entrepreneurs in Africa to tap into the growing demand for flavorful and fiery condiments. By leveraging advanced machinery and implementing effective marketing strategies, you can establish a successful hot sauce brand and heat up the market. This is our third business, but stay till the end, we have business 4 as a bonus for you. Diving into the crunchy realm of potato chip manufacturing in Africa, uncovering the process behind these crispy delights and the business opportunities they present. Join us as we delve into the potato chips manufacturing process, discuss the machinery involved, and explore effective marketing strategies to make a mark in this savory venture. Behind every satisfying crunch of a potato chip lies a carefully crafted process and specialized machinery designed to transform humble potatoes into irresistible snacks. Let's take a closer look at the steps of potato chips manufacturing and the machinery involved in bringing this snack sensation to Africa's fingertips. The journey begins with the selection and preparation of high-quality potatoes, which serve as the foundation of every delicious chip. Slicing: the peeled potatoes are then sliced into thin, uniform slices using precision slicing machines which ensure consistency in thickness and texture. Blanching: the potato slices are briefly blanched in hot water or steam to soften them and prepare them for frying. Frying: the blanched potato slices are fried in hot oil until they achieve the perfect golden brown color and crispy texture. Seasoning and packaging: the freshly fried potato chips are seasoned with a variety of flavors, such as salt, barbecue, or cheese, before being packaged into bags or containers for distribution. With the help of advanced potato chips manufacturing machinery, manufacturers can efficiently transform raw potatoes into crispy and flavorful snacks that satisfy the cravings of consumers across Africa. Now that we've explored the production process, let's discuss effective marketing strategies to promote potato chips businesses in Africa. Building a successful potato chips brand in Africa requires a strategic approach that tantalizes taste buds and captures consumer interest. Here are some key strategies to consider. Flavor variety: offer a diverse range of potato chip flavors that appeal to local tastes and preferences. Experiment with unique flavor combinations inspired by African cuisine and ingredients to differentiate your brand. Eye-catching packaging: design visually appealing. Packaging that stands out on store shelves and grabs consumers' attention. Incorporate vibrant colors, bold graphics, and enticing imagery that reflects the essence of your brand and flavors. Digital marketing: leverage social media platforms, influencer partnerships, and digital advertising to reach and engage with your target audience. Share mouthwatering photos and videos of your potato chips, along with behind-the-scenes content that showcases your brand's story and values. You made it to the bonus business. Let's dive into the sudsy world of soap making in Africa, uncovering the process behind crafting these essential products and the business opportunities they offer. Join us as we delve into the soap-making process, discuss the machinery involved, and explore effective marketing strategies to make a splash in this hygiene-focused venture. Behind every bar of soap lies a carefully crafted process and specialized machinery designed to cleanse and nourish the skin. Let's take a closer look at the steps of soap making and the machinery involved in bringing cleanliness to Africa's households. The journey begins with the selection and preparation of high-quality ingredients, which serve as the foundation of every luxurious bar of soap. Various oils, fats, and additives are carefully measured and blended in precise proportions to create the soap base. Saponification. The blended ingredients undergo saponification, a chemical reaction that transforms them into soap and glycerin. This process is typically facilitated by heat and agitation. Molding. The liquid soap mixture is poured into molds, where it solidifies and takes on the desired shape and size of the finished soap bars. Curing. The molded soap bars are allowed to cure and harden over a period of time, during which excess moisture evaporates and the soap becomes milder and longer lasting. Cutting and packaging. Once cured, the soap bars are cut into individual pieces and packaged into wrappers or boxes for distribution and sale. With the help of advanced soap-making machinery, manufacturers can efficiently transform raw ingredients into high-quality soap products that promote cleanliness and well-being in African households. Now that we've explored the production process, let's discuss effective marketing strategies to promote soap-making businesses in Africa. Building a successful soap brand in Africa requires a strategic approach that emphasizes cleanliness, quality, and affordability. Here are some key strategies to consider. Brand storytelling. Share the story behind your soap brand, including its origins, ingredients, and commitment to sustainability and social responsibility. Connect with consumers on a personal level by highlighting the benefits of using your soap for their skin and the environment. Product differentiation. Offer a diverse range of soap products that cater to different skin types, preferences, and needs. Experiment with unique formulations, scents, and packaging designs to stand out in the market and appeal to a wider audience. Distribution channels. Establish partnerships with local retailers, pharmacies, and supermarkets to expand distribution channels and reach a broader customer base. Consider offering bulk packaging options for wholesale buyers and convenient single-use packaging for individual consumers. Health and hygiene education. Educate consumers about the importance of hand washing and personal hygiene through public awareness campaigns, school programs, and community workshops. Position your soap brand as a trusted ally in promoting health and well-being in African communities. In conclusion, all four businesses presents promising opportunities for entrepreneurs in Africa to meet the growing demand. By leveraging advanced machinery and implementing effective marketing strategies, you can establish a successful brand and make a positive impact. Thank you for joining us on If you found this video informative, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content on hygiene and entrepreneurship. Until next time, stay clean and lather up.